Cribscan presents this ideal rental in London.
2-bedroom apartment. 6 Observatory Mews, London, E14. Newly decorated and furnished throughout, a 2 double-bedroom 2-bathroom apartment located within a quite residential area. The apartment is furnished well throughout and is ideal for sharers. Located a short walk to Island Gardens or Mudchute Bus Station, which gives easy access into CA. Letting information. Date available now. Furnishing. Furnished. Deposit £1,950. Letting type. Long term. Reduced on the 24th of March 2018, 10 minutes ago. Key features: 2 double-bedroom apartment. Ensuite to master bedroom. Wood laminate flooring. Ideal for sharers. Walking distance to glass.